This video will show you how to access Ck12 activities that I've assigned in the geometry classroom. So I'm assuming you're in your Google Classroom, that you're logged into Google Classroom with your school ID and information. So I'm going to just click on a random assignment that goes to Ck12. So this one, click on that, open it up. You can view the assignment, but I'm going to just click on this right now. It's going to direct me towards Ck12. It's going to ask me to sign in with my Google account. So you'd use your school information on that. While I get there, and one of the nice things is this activity will also allow you to use some notes, videos, and other resources to help you better understand the content. This one's classifying triangles by angle measurement. This is the practice part where, that's the part I want you to do. And then when you're all done, the idea is you get 10 questions right, you can turn it in. I do ask that people put their work on another sheet of paper. Any work that you do, you should submit into the Google assignment to get credit for that. Some of the resources here, you can watch a video, you can do some reading. There's some other activities as well that you can check out if you need to. But basically, you just keep practicing this activity. You get random questions here. And reading the questions by looking at what type of triangle is this? That's a right triangle. Check it, that's right. I go on to the next one. Classify the triangle given the following angles. Based on those angles, those are all less than 90. So I'm going to say that's an acute triangle, and you can check it. I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to get it wrong on purpose. Identify the type of triangle based on the sum of the angle measurements. I'm going to say this is obtuse, and check it. I'm going to say wrong. Let's give it another try. Sure, I want to try it again. Notice there's some hints here. There's a scratch pad, which if you want to write some work down, you can do that. You can get a hint. It tells me recall the definition of each triangle. That's hint number 1. There are multiple hints there as well. The second hint says all 3 angles in the triangle are between 0 and 90, which hopefully, okay, I got it now. That's an acute triangle. And I check it, and I'm good. And you'll notice the skill level is developing. Should I get a couple of these wrong in a row, I'm going to get a couple more wrong here just to get them wrong. And it's going to give you, after 2 attempts, it is going to give you a different question. So, and the meter does go down, but when you start getting them right again, they get the meter moving in the right direction. And ultimately, I want to get 10 questions right in a row. I'm going to stop for now. But hopefully that gives you a little tour of Ck12. When you do get your 10 questions in a row, you turn in your score. You just click turn in. I'm going to turn that in right now. I'm going to turn it in anyways, even though I'm not completely done, just so you can see what happens. And basically what it does is it's going to record a score back at in the Google Classroom for me. Turned in successfully. You do want to wait till you get that. And then you're good to go. Hopefully that helps. One other thing that you want to do is when you do turn this in, if you did some work on another sheet of paper, you can come in here. Since I've already submitted it, I have to unsubmit it. But I could come in here and add, maybe a picture, maybe it's a file, PDF file to show my work. I want to encourage you to do that. And once you add your file, you just submit it, turn it in, and you're good to go. Hope that helps.